Hello, everybody, and welcome to this MBL seminar. And the subject of the talk is business sales and the disposal of assets, a practical overview for 2026. Broadly, there are two principal mechanisms by which clients can either buy or sell their business in the United Kingdom. The first is what we call an asset sale, and the second is what we call a share sale. Both ultimately will achieve the same outcome, they achieve the same commercial objective. But there are considerations behind which would be the most appropriate in a particular case, and that will depend very much on our client's personal, financial, and legal circumstances. There isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. There isn't just the one outcome that's the correct outcome on every occasion. And so it is actually really important that when clients are trying to buy or sell a business, that they understand the key differences between an asset sale and the share sale. What are the pros and the cons of the two vehicles? So let's start with an asset sale. With an asset sale, buyers are taking over their target business by acquiring a number of things. They actually acquire the day-to-day business of the company that they're buying. So they're not actually buying the company lock, stock, and barrel. They're buying the day-to-day trading element of it. That's what we would call the business. They're also buying specific assets, and these would be both tangible, i.e. touchable assets, and intangible assets or untouchable assets, things like intellectual property, designs, patents, etc. And thirdly, they will also be taking on specific liabilities. And so a good way of looking at it is that the clients who are doing this are effectively cherry-picking the assets that they want to take on and the liabilities that they are prepared to take on. And that allows them to very much control the level of risk that they acquire when they take on the business. And of course, that's all subject to commercial negotiation. And you might already be thinking, well, as a seller, surely I would want to be increasing the number of liabilities that I manage to pass over to the buyer. And you wouldn't be wrong. But we'll come on to that in a short while, because that's all about commercial negotiation.